Hello, my name is Harriet Murray. I'm president of the AMPI Vallarta chapter here in the Bay of Banderas. I want to personally invite you to come. For us, the first time we will be present for the Real Estate Fair, February 16th, 9 to 2, in downtown Vallarta in the Rivera Molino shopping center. It's very important who you work with when you start a transaction. We want you to meet our agencies and our individual agents. We welcome you to come. There will also be seminars on taxes, marketing, and we will all be there just to serve you. So thank you.